No. You have to open it. Be careful.
I will.
Okay?
Okay, here's our TV. Let me open it now.
Go ahead. Slowly. Other side one.
There we go. Oh no, that one is stuck. Here, put it. And let's. Here you go. Hindi ko kunin mo yung ulan eh. Okay, the other side. There we go.
Wow.
Here, put it here. And ta-da! Here's the remote. Steve, we have a new TV.
Oh, I think you have 2 remote controls.
Oh, there's. I know that. What's this?
A user manual.
Yes. Okay, we have 2 remotes. Let's open this now.
What is that?
I don't know. I didn't open it. Huh? I don't know. Oh, no.
Okay, no need to open that.
Why?
It's a bracket.
A bracket
For the TV.
for the TV.
Wall bracket.
What do we do for here?
You have to plug the TV now, so we can try. We can test the TV.
Okay, let's do it to the big one. Let's open. What's the right press? This?
Try the white one, Netflix.
Left,
Below.
this?
Left side.
Left side?
That one.
big one. That?
There you go.
There we go. We have to make some. Here's some Pocoyo. How about that? Let's see Pocoyo. Ellie. Huh?
Oh my goodness. What does
Give me
Ellie
my
mean?
question.
I think Ellie's telling you not to touch the castle
How
while
can-
she's away. And she wants you to make sure no one else touches it.
There we go. Mr. Nushini. Okay. There we go. Babay, tabi mo.
Put it back inside the plastic. So, what can you say about your new TV?
Cocoyo.
Margo, What can you say about your new TV?
I like it. Let's try the other one. Minions. Wait, I have to choose it. Not you. Stay away to the TV. I said stay away. I said stay away.
Margo, be kind to your brother.
Hey. Not that. Stop.
Okay.